Yes, my people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location we have for the connect with us and the time we take the watch this broadcast. This morning we did for Oluku, another billboard has been installed by the street commissioner, Apostle Alfred. Who you know, sir? Why they do this thing? They say since our people don't say they're blind, they're not they see what the governor they do. They say he read billboard everywhere so that those who say they're not the social media and so they're not they see as they drive motor they pass fear they go they see what the governor they do. He go even reach the point to be blind man who go get offshore that to see. So we must continue to appreciate the wake and see governor, our own very Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now you can see now Osiomo plant, shopping mall, school of nursing, secretariat, amongst other things. So make una not worry. Those of una wey say una blind, una not dey see. Now we are now for this state until we start to the see we no go rest. So make I quickly call our ambassador and our street commissioner Apostle Alfred. We no sir, make it come talk to us this evening. Edo must move forward. Yeah, move forward.
That's what it be. You know, as a street commissioner, we got to let the people know say the government doing a whole lot. You know, easy. But people were there and don't really know say this kind of project they exist. Now you can see that is the new republished and innovated block B of the state secretariat. They will get the area view for the college of school of nursing. Then we'll get the Osiomo power plant waiting for Ologbo. They will also get the area view for the ongoing construction of the Benin City Mall.
Refinery never joined. School Igoriaki never joined.
So many things they can never join. So if you not share for Facebook, you will share for billboard operation. They must see the work of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now, as a street commissioner, I did very happy. Now, what did they give me joy with this? You know, I wanted to see how to promote changing the negative narrative, making a dog great, not only one person handwork. So we must not leave it into the hands of Governor Obaseki only, but we must join her to promote waiting in the do, of which the governor is doing a whole lot. He's doing a whole lot. Make I say I love my brother talk. So they talk
so my people, me are just happy for waiting at the see. Apostle say yes. Not be everybody dey Facebook, not be everybody dey YouTube. Some persons not their social media, but as they pass, as they look at or no say yes, governor do this thing. Meanwhile, more people are coming because we never put cassava factory, we never put college of agriculture, amongst other things. Even the refinery now, we want start operation now for Edo State as we talk, we never put her. So our own to put her, you can go and verify.
Operation billboard woto. Billboard for every junction.
Yes,
as you say, you know what see about TV, you know what on radio. See here, the first one we did now Osiomo power plant. Make an interpreter. It means say everywhere for Edo State, they go to get 24 hours power supply. Another one na Benin City Mall. It means say wetin they go fly for Sokoto, it go dey inside your Sokoto.
Yes, thank you.
Another one na nursing, school of nursing. Most of our children wey say they want to study nursing, after they took injection, you go learn am well. You go learn am well. Your children, especially the female children, they go learn how to do nursing. Then another one na newly refurbished and renovated block B of the state secretariat building. If you never enter lift before for your life, you just go there, go enter am for free. You go just press button, the thing go just carry you fear. You don't land for up 10th floor. No be say you go dey climb, you go dey climb again.
Yes,
as if they dey force you do exercise.
Yes, sir.
This one na to just press number 10. Fear, you don't carry you go 10th floor. This one na what they call digital woto.
So
Governor don say as e be say una say na no wan see am for TV, una no wan hear am, una no wan hear am from radio. Now Apostle Alfred, the street commissioner,
was here with their
he don take am upon himself say na operation billboard for every junction.
And you know the funniest thing, you know the funniest thing, many of our people not even know say for this area, not even know say this kind of thing they go on because it's a come the way some people they look at. And again, this na college of nursing, school of nursing dey there, school of midwifery dey there with one other department.
Obaseki Noga.
So this na also opportunity for una to dey know wetin dey the state and make una fit dey take advantage of them.
You know, say this block B, I call my grandmother for village, come Benin. He say, if they hear about lift, say one enter lift. I can't carry out
but tell her say you are lifted.
No, this one no be prophecy now.
Okay,
this one na as you dey see am. No be ear mark. I can't carry out go block B. As you enter block B, I say, ma, miracle go happen. Na.
You are lifted.
Miracle woto. Before you close the open, you don't dey 10th floor. He say, no possible. Say a step, he get romanticism, no be the class step. I say, this one no be romanticism, no be even romanus. Now I press the 10th floor. Bam! As I press her, I say, mama just dey inside. AC dey blow am inside the lift. Before you know, mama don reach 10th floor. As we come and mama look up, he shock. He say, I don't reach up like this, oh. I don't reach up like I say, now Obaseki wonder. So we go always dey thank our governor. We always dey thank and say, governor, you don try, you don too much for us. Even if people dey say they no dey see am, true, this one they must see am. Apostle Alfred again, we say, thank you, the street commissioner, the apostle of talk am as e be. Talk am as e be now they talk about, no be say we just want to make you dey hear am. This one as you just come, you go just see am. Even in the night you go see am. Abeg make dem take look for everywhere around so that they go know say this one no be say we just wan talk. Apostle.
Hey.
Sure.
That's what they be. Now, my people, we must play our part. Somebody talk for background just now. He said they only talking about bag of fries. No, she said they only talking about bag of fries. No, the Obaseki they control bag of rice. Now from Federal. Hey, that's true now. It's okay. I took him now. No, the Obaseki they control rice.
It dey work. So, Obaseki dey work.
So, on a very serious note, we dey very happy. We want make una dey see the work wey governor dey do. It's not really easy, but we continue to play our part. We must do everything possible to help change the negative narrative about governance in Edo. So our own, we don't make up our mind say we go support the governor to succeed. This one be say operation you must hear. Operation you must hear.
By fire by force.
Every strategic junction we go dey match this billboard. The first one dey for Okoro, this one dey for Oluku. Then we go dey make am dey go. The truth be say no be money dey motivate us, na passion. So we dey go beyond social media. We dey go beyond social media. It's an eye mark, no be ear mark. Eye mark, you go share. Operation, you must see the work. Woto. So guys, let's continue to support Governor Godwin Obaseki from our own end, from Tokam and Sibi and heal our land. We'll continue to support the governor to succeed because Edo must be great again. Thank you, everyone. Operation, you must see the project. This is the second billboard mounted at Oluku. God bless you.
I bet show them again. Obaseki, you too much. This one way you do now, you too much. The other one way I join now, you 3 much. You can't add another one, you 4 much. You add another one, 5 much. How many we go talk? God bless you, my governor.
So guys, that's what they be. So my people, that's what they do. We not the enemy of progress. Now make Edo day great. Now we day after. That's what they be. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. Now what they give me joy with this. Now what they give us joy. You understand? Operation, you must see what the governor is doing. We don't have people. Very soon we'll go BBC. From BBC we'll go CNN. We'll go Al Jazeera. We will go Arise TV. Una must hear. So people say no road, no work. My brother, go sleep. If you know the impact of this Oshomo, you know go talk. If you know the impact of the school of nursing, you know go talk. If you know the impact of the renovated inside the Block B secretariat, you are tired. I've been at the Benin City Mall very soon. By January 2023, Benin City Mall will be launched. So myself and my crew member will continue to support the governor to succeed. We know how much it costs us today to install this billboard. We don't make up our mindset, we will continue to deny ourselves. We will begin to deprive of ourselves of so many things to ensure say our people get the right information about what the governor is doing. We are ready to deprive ourselves. Whether we not chop, we not care about food, there is time for everything, but we must put in our best to then showcase the governor. So all thanks to all my brothers and sisters with each other, they call, they pray for us. We are okay with the prayer, we are very okay, but we must never give up. Edo must be great again. Remember, we not be enemy of progress. My name is Apostle Alfred Ojo Inosa.
Emmanuel Emeka Ezedi.
They are the brother where they back comrade, they fit up on the camera. It's actually before. So remember, we are not an enemy of progress. We just want to come as they be. Edo must be great again. Bye.